You have now completed Design Smarter, dual approach to learning management system development using Canva. You explored how to design an LMS manually and how to build one with Canva AI. You learned how to structure pages, organize modules, and guide students through a clear and organized learning space. You also learned how prompting, iteration, and creativity shape the results when using Canva AI. Manual design gives you full control. AI designs gives you speed. Both methods support your work as a teacher, and both can help you design a functional LMS that serves your students well. You now have the skills to build, refine, publish, and maintain an LMS that students can access anytime. Your design choices guide their learning and help them move through your lessons with confidence. Continue exploring Canva. Continue improving your LMS. The more you design, the clearer and more effective your learning space becomes. Thank you for joining this training. Keep building, keep designing, keep moving towards smarter learning experiences.